All right, everybody, what's going on? I'm making a really quick video. Just got off the phone with somebody and they were asking me about borrowing MC numbers. Yeah, you can borrow somebody's MC number if you want, but I would be forewarned and a little bit of discretion in regards to borrowing somebody's MC number. Borrow somebody's MC number if you know who they are. If it's just some guy you meet at the gas station and you borrow his MC number, what is the likelihood that he could just take your money? Because at the end of the day, if you run a load underneath his MC number, it's a paperwork that has his company on it, not your company. Same thing at the same time too. There's a lot of guys that borrow MC numbers from other people, whether it's your friend or whether it's your buddy or whether it's your uncle or whoever. If you don't get a contract between you and that person, you're gonna get paid every day when you do the delivery, you get a deposit, or you get paid as a lump sum at the end of the week on Friday for all the loads for the whole week, and you get paid on Friday. What are the terms? That's probably something that you should discuss if you're going to borrow somebody else's MC number. And at the same time too, what's the cost? If I borrow somebody else's MC number, are they charging 10%, 20%? Do you have to use their insurance and make the payments to them and then they pay for the insurance? Or can you take your own insurance with you to borrow their MC number? I would say all of these things need to be in writing. There's more people than I can count on two hands that have done this with nothing in writing, and they don't get paid when the load delivers. They don't get paid out on a Friday. They get paid 4 weeks later. And it's a story that I've heard more than a dozen times. So just be advised. Yeah, you can borrow somebody else's MC number. That's fine. You totally can. But at what discretion and at what terms, and get it in writing. If you're going to borrow somebody's number, write up a quick Word document saying, hey, it's going to be 15%. I'm going to be able to bring my own insurance. And I'm gonna get it paid every day that I submit loads, that are days that I deliver loads, or I can submit all my loads over the course of the entire week and I get a deposit on Friday morning. But these are things that you can't just borrow somebody else's MC number, because at the end of the day, like I said a moment ago, it's their company's name and MC number on the Raycon, not yours. So if you don't have a contract between you and whoever that you're borrowing their MC number for 30 days, for 6 months, technically there's no paper trail to prove that you did it and one of their own trucks didn't do the load or did do the load, because the paper trail is not correct. Anyway, good food for thought. Catch you in the next video. Bye.